Hi, I'm Megan Pearl. I'm VP of Technology at Locust Bioenergy. We are based in the Woodlands, Texas, and we focus on providing specialty chemicals to the oil field that are all biosurfactant-based. And we're a small team, and so it's critical that every single decision that we make is well-informed. We are in a state of rapid growth. The technology that we offer, in my opinion, is one of the few truly innovative technological solutions in the chemical space for many, many years, which means that we have lots of different applications for it. And so one of the things that we rely on Enverus to help us understand is which customers do we approach, who is using chemistry other than FRs, who believes in chemistry, and what are they doing today so that we can better understand what the gaps are to benchmark ourselves and outperform those particular products, and then have relevant material to approach those customers to lower the barrier to adoption. What's super critical is that one of our products was recently certified as the first EOR technology to help you improve your production and also give you a lower carbon intensity of that oil. And where Enverus can come into that for us is to help us understand who is playing in that EOR space. What did it look like years ago? What does it look like today? And then where is it heading? When it comes to green technology, one thing that we are currently focused on is expanding our footprint into the surfactant space. And a critical piece of information for that is understanding what surfactants are being used today and how are they in terms of environmental friendliness or biodegradability. And we can extract all of that information from Enverus to help us understand exactly which products do we need to target replacing in the market. Where Enverus helps us with all of the data that we can extract from it is it helps us make more informed decisions, especially in new product development, so that I can make sure that my team, my very small team, is focusing on the most critical chemistries that we can tackle today, and then also arming the sales team with the right direction and information on which customers to approach. Currently, we heavily utilize the foundation side of Enverus to extract our customer information and our targeted basins and product development. But as we continue to expand our footprint in the oil field, I would love to utilize more of the geoscience analytics portion of it. That will really help us understand where our products are working and then give more context into why and how they're working. And that will help inform more intelligently our future product developments.